Hello all traders, today is Monday 27th of January 2025 and we're going to look at the trades that we have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 futures and CFDs. If you look at the 1 hour macro chart, we see that the price during the Asian session started to go down sharply and found the support, and during the London session started to recover. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that after New York market opening, the price continued to go up and had a retest of the previous level of point of control here and then bounced back, and finally price got rejected at this area of the resistance and the sellers came back. So our plan of action for today was to wait for the volatility to calm down, and when the price have a deep pullback, take a sell short position in a well-established downtrend, and that's what happened. And around 10 o'clock, when the buyers couldn't pass this level and it got rejected, we took sell short position here on Nasdaq with setup B, and also another sell short position on S&P 500 around 10 o'clock here with setup B. And this wave of downtrend was taken with these two sell short positions. And since the volatility was high and the market had no direction and we reached the daily target, we finished for the day in 10 minutes. So all the signals were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts, and you see the performance on one of these accounts here, which is positive, showing profit factor of 99, which is infinite because we had 100% win rate from the two sell short position taken. But we can see that the average winning trades were 593 and the largest winning trade was $865. For the small CFD profit accounts, I have several small swing trading positions that is still open, and I'm gonna update you tomorrow and when we close these positions. Thanks for your attention, and hope this trades taken by the past system for faster scalping is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.